everyone. As in our previous video, we created a function for histogram to visualize the numerical features in our dataset. Let's further extend it by creating box plots for numerical variable and also bar plots for categorical variable. Now Shivani will explain us through the functions that have been created.
As this problem is an extension of the previous problem, the histogram function is already created and you can see it in the previous video. In this part, we are creating a box plot function as well as a bar plot function and then calling it in the main function and then displaying a visualization. As part of the box plot function, we have divided our data in the numerical data frame as well as categorical data frame in the next part. In this part, for the numerical data frame, we are using a for loop across all the columns in the numerical data frame. And then we are assigning the subplot with this line. And then we are reshaping the axes as well as then we are using the SNS box plot method to create the box plot. Then we are assigning a particular title by a label as well as saving the figure in a PNG format. Now coming for visualizations of the categorical fields, we have created a bar plot functions that similar to the histogram as well as box plot is creating a bar plot. So for that, we are running through a loop through all the categorical all the fields in the categorical data frame, and we are calculating the values, the count values, and storing it in the categorical frequency variable. In cat frequency variable, then we would be assigning it to the x as well as y variable and then plotting a bar graph. Before this, we are assigning the figure size as well as the subplot and giving it the X label title and saving it as a PNG file, done for same as box plot as well as histogram. Now Kavya would explain the main function.
As Shivani has explained us the function that was built for visualizing the box plot and the bar plot, let's see how the main function is built. Here we have created a function called as graph in which we are passing the entire data frame as an argument. So after that, we have separated the numerical variables into numdf and the categorical variables into catdf. So after that, for box plot and for the histogram, we are giving a function call by passing only the numerical df. So by this, we create a box plot and histogram for all the columns in our numerical data frame. And following that, we have created a function call for the bar plot, which will create a bar plot for all the columns in the categorical variable. Now let's see the output for this function call. And here we have used the car dataset to visualize the visualizations. As you can see, box plots are getting generated for all of the numerical variables in our cars dataset, following which a histogram is also created for all of the numerical variable. And for categorical variable, we would be having the bar plots. Yeah. Now let's see
going
the
back
images
to the working directory, all the images are thus getting stored as a PNG format. Thank you.
Thank you.